Unlocking Generosity, the Power of Charitable Donations. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meaning and usage of phrases and idioms that can sometimes seem puzzling. Today, we're exploring a very heartwarming topic: charitable donations. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, especially when talking about giving, generosity, and support. So, let's break it down together and understand what it truly means to make a charitable donation. First things first, let's dissect the phrase into two parts: charitable and donation. Charitable is an adjective that describes something related to charity. Charity, in turn, refers to the act of giving help, usually in the form of money, to those in need. It's about being generous and wanting to improve the welfare of others. Donation is a noun that means the act of giving something, often money or goods, to help a person, group, organization, or cause. When you make a donation, you are voluntarily giving something away without expecting anything in return. So, when we talk about a charitable donation, we're referring to the act of giving money, goods, or time to help people in need, typically through a charity or nonprofit organization. This act is driven by the desire to have a positive impact on the community and to support causes that one cares about. You might wonder, why do people make charitable donations? There are several reasons. 1. To support a cause. Many people feel strongly about certain issues, such as hunger, education, animal welfare, or disaster relief. By donating, they can contribute to a solution and make a difference in those areas. 2. To give back. Some individuals or companies make charitable donations as a way of giving back to their communities or to places that have supported them in the past. 3. Tax benefits. In many countries, making a charitable donation can provide tax benefits. While this shouldn't be the primary reason for donating, it's certainly an added incentive for many donors. 4. Personal satisfaction. Giving to others can create a deep sense of satisfaction and happiness, knowing that you have helped improve someone else's life. Making a charitable donation is straightforward, but here are a few tips to ensure your donation has the greatest impact. Research. Find a reputable charity that aligns with your values and is transparent about how donations are used. Decide on the type of donation. You can donate money, goods, or your time as a volunteer. Each type of donation is valuable. Check tax implications. If you're interested in the tax deductions, make sure the organization you're donating to is recognized for tax purposes in your country. Keep records. Always keep a record of your donations. This is important for tax purposes and for your personal accounting. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful act of making charitable donations and why it's such a significant aspect of supporting communities and causes. Whether it's through donating money, goods, or time, your contribution can make a real difference in the world. Remember, generosity opens the door to a kinder, more compassionate world. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to contribute to the causes close to your heart. See you in our next video.